Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author and artist of many books on how to draw, and today I'd like to show you how to draw a cute puppy. A cute puppy. We're going to start with a little bit of the head, just here, just the circle. But a puppy has a really long forehead. Other dogs start way up here. So we're going to make a nice curved forehead and a small nose, small snout. Okay, so that is sort of the, let me make it smaller here. There we go. So that is a basic look right there. And I'll bring this back in a slender way, kind of like he's pulling. Remember, the ear goes here, so we're going to have to make room for that. Here we go. Here's the back straight, and touch of the chest over here. Before I put the eyes in, let's just do the nose. Now a puppy has generally a smaller nose than a regular dog, but I like to show a bigger one. I think it makes it look a little endearingly awkward, like that. All right, so right here, where the bridge of the nose is the eye. And a big eye it is, and it's slender because it's in the side view. Big eyebrow here, and now let's put down a little bit of an ear. Oh my goodness, that's looking like my dog Spencer. Spencer! I have the world's cutest yet evil puppy. Oh well, what can you do? I think he hypnotizes all of us. All right, here's the forehead. I'm going to bring the forehead a little farther forward, like this, because I really like that line here that goes like that. It's really kind of cute. A couple of tufts of hair back here, and his dome over here. I bet you don't know what that's called, right here. It's literally called something. It's called the occipital protuberance. You will never need to know this. I never need to know this. But there it is. Okay, now give him a little bit of a puffy lower lip, like he's kind of pouting about something. Oh, poor Spencer. He didn't get that 64th dog treat today. Well, there's always tomorrow, fella. And a little bit of marking like this. And a little bit of eyelashes. And we've got it. Here's my dog Spencer. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, if you do draw it, send me a copy. I'd love to see what you come up with. And please subscribe. New videos, new free videos every week. Bye-bye.